Netflix is a new means to watch as many movies and television series as we want and whenever we want. It has emerged from the days of video rentals and cable. Without question, the binge-watching industry is thriving. Netflix has more than 223 million members, and subscribers watch more than 164 million hours of content every day. So why are streaming services so popular in comparison to our prior watching options? Why do individuals spend more than 180 minutes per day on Netflix but just 30 to 60 minutes per week viewing traditional television? It makes sense if you consider that Netflix operates in an agile manner. This has less to do with whether or not the development team uses an agile approach and more to do with how Netflix publishes content. Similar to agile development, Netflix prioritizes fast feedback, incremental adjustments, and cross-collaboration. Agile development teams can learn a great deal from Netflix by analyzing the company's back-end operations in more depth. Here are a few ways Netflix uses agile development to educate its teams on how to design, test, and deploy content effectively. Hey guys, this is George from Invensis Learning. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, never to miss an update from the Invensis Learning channel. Here, I'm going to mention 5 lessons from Netflix you can learn as an agile team. First, the top of the list is to do better than the pilot episode. Have you noticed that there are never any pilot episodes on Netflix? This is because of the fact that a pilot episode is basically a test to see if the network and its viewers like the first episode enough to continue watching. However, what if they don't? Many hours and dollars spent went to waste. Instead, Netflix strikes the ideal mix between intuition and statistics throughout production, so that they can predict the popularity of their shows. Netflix approves the shows and movies based on in-depth data analytics that indicate the show would be well received. In fact, Netflix originals have a 35% greater success rate than newly released network television programs. This teaches agile teams not to wait until the end of development to test and not to rely on users to identify bugs for them. Integrate testing into each phase of the software development lifecycle in order to offer something that clients will like. The second is to integrate feedback. According to the Agile Manifesto, one of the essential components of a successful Agile team is allowing for rapid feedback and, more crucially, incorporating it into your next release. Netflix is well known for its culture of open and direct feedback, which it values and nurtures. This culture is appropriate with the Agile feedback loops and active listening that the talented team practices. People are happy and willing to offer feedback, and they expect to be heard. So, you do not have to ask Netflix twice. Netflix takes feedback from every visit to their service and continually retrains their algorithms with those inputs to improve the accuracy of their prediction of what you're most likely to watch. Also, their data, algorithms, and computation systems integrate with each other to produce new and fresh recommendations that you like. So as an agile team, whether testers provide input while the program is in production or users provide comments after the software has been deployed, integrating feedback is important and ensures continual development and improvement. Next, be compatible with your customers. Netflix supports 900 different devices. With laptops, cell phones, and tablets, not to mention various browsers, operating systems, and screen sizes, it is essential to maintain consistency. Netflix has a large client base, which suggests that they utilize a variety of devices. If they did not make the application available to everyone, they would not experience the same level of success as they are now. So, cross-browser testing is a no-brainer if you want to deploy a high-quality application for all users. Cross-browser testing is essential since you will want to guarantee that your application, for which you have invested a lot of time and money, functions effectively for all users and on all the required devices. This is a vital step in generating a great user experience and increasing income for your organization. Before we talk about the next 2 lessons, if you guys want to check out how these lessons can be implemented in real-life scenarios, do check out our certification course on Agile Project Management. The link to which is given below in the description box. Now, moving forward. Fourth, release products frequently. Agile allows teams to release software more often, as opposed to having lengthier release cycles and only releasing once per several months or even years. Netflix has discovered that releasing new movies and episodes weekly keeps users interested and fascinated, preventing them from becoming bored with the same picks again. For instance, after viewers have finished Peaky Blinders, they still have the upcoming season of Stranger Things to anticipate. It's no secret that modern consumers have high expectations and needs. They're always looking for the next great thing. In the end, though, it's rather clear. Continuous integration and delivery in smaller cycles enable consumers to use or utilize your product as often as they want. Fifth, embrace detailed user stories. A user story describes a software feature from the perspective of the consumer. Agile aims to take user stories from conception to deployment, taking into account who the user is, what they want to accomplish, and how they will do it with that product. Netflix takes this to a new degree by using smart customization to understand every user's story. The recommendation system is responsible for 75% of Netflix's views. By developing various trailers and artwork for a material depending on viewers' prior movie and program selections, companies may interact with individuals based on their likes and behaviors more accurately. Take a cue from Netflix and familiarize yourself with user personas and the customer journeys that occur across your product in order to plan development better. Whether you stream shows or flip through TV channels, the media company has plenty to teach us. As Agile teams embrace speed and quality across testing and development, Netflix serves as a model for success from production to deployment. If you found this video interesting, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, never to miss an update from the Invensis Learning YouTube channel. So with this, we have come to an end of this video. I hope it was helpful. Also, if you're looking for the best online training certification in Agile project management, check out the link given below. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.